said a couple vlogs back, that I was considering just staining these shelves and keeping them wood when I was originally going to do them white. Now I'm back to, I think I should do them white because I'm just thinking in my head about how I'm going to decorate these shelves for like upcoming holidays and stuff. And I think the white will look the best with what I have in my head. So I just had this up here, these little trees. So I'm going to take all this down and then I'm going to go ahead and paint these shelves white. At least get the first coat on today. Because I feel like I haven't done that much today. I've been really just loafing about. So I want to get something done today. And these shelves are like the perfect project just to knock off my to-do list really quick. Seems like I'm always painting, forever painting. But yeah, try to get this done.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place.
Got 2 new things in from Amazon. The first one are these clear hooks for the wall. They're like command hooks, but these ones had good reviews. And I think there are 10 in here and they were like $8. And this is a hanging hamper. And so let me show you Gabby's closet. This dresser used to be pushed out more, and then she had a hamper from IKEA in on this side. But because we put the toy box in here, can't fit the hamper in here anymore. Plus, I have a shoe thing that's going to go on this wall for her shoes. So, the solution I came up with was to find a hanging hamper so I can hang it on the back of her door. And I think that'll work out great because if she opens the door and slams it or whatever, it's not going to damage the door. And hopefully it comes out really good. I think this was $13, but I'll link everything down in the description. Probably couldn't hear me. I'll link it down in the description. I think it was $13, and I'll link these too. They did have good reviews, but I don't know how well they work as opposed to command hooks. Okay, so before I hang this up, I just want to show you guys the quality of this. Feels really good. There's a zipper at the bottom, so if you had it hanging up higher, you could just like unzip and like release the clothes into a different basket. There's a pocket on the front, and then it came with these hooks in case you want to mount them like over the door. And then I'll show you the hanging. Has these loops to hang, and it feels really good quality. So I'm going to go ahead and hang this up on the door now, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I have it up. It probably needs to be ironed, but I think this would be a good solution too for hanging. Like if you have a bunch of stuffed animals. So luckily for me, Gabby isn't into stuffed animals that much, but I think this would be really good for hanging up plushies and stuffed animals. And you can even fit 2 of these if you go up higher. I think these will be a good solution as long as these hooks hold up, and I'm very satisfied with that.
single child. There's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day. First snow of Christmas is falling from above. It's a sight of wonder, a magic time of love, and the joy found in each other. It bears a witness of
But I got out this craft from, I think it might have been 2 years ago. My little paper peppermints. And I'm going to, if you want the tutorial for these, I have it on my TikTok. I'll link it down below. And in the blog post where you can print out these. But I think I'm going to do these over the play kitchen or just like around the bookcase. So let's see. I really wanted just to do some organizing in the laundry room. And the main thing I wanted to tackle was this shelf. I'm not that tall, so it was just really hard for me to reach over the washer and dryer to grab the things I needed to do laundry. So I had this 18-inch turntable from the old house from back when I had a pantry. And I wanted to use this and possibly put it on the shelf and just be able to rotate it. You're going to see it doesn't actually work out that way, but I do find a solution for it. So first I'm going to just clear off this shelf, clean it off, remove that pipe. For some reason, I thought that was in the wall and I couldn't take it down. But you're going to see later that I find out that it's just laying back there for some reason. The old owners just did that. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm going to clean this off and it's going to be a much better situation than it was before.
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here for a while? I'm alive and I take you in. I've been falling, when I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a
At some point I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the shelf. I was gonna do it eventually anyway, so I figured this was the best time to do it while I had everything off and it was already clean. And it definitely makes it look a lot better, but I couldn't paint that back wall. And there's a lot of change that still needs to be done to get it right.
Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? I've been falling and I've been calling. Oh, was it a rainbow falling?
As you can see, it didn't work out. The Lazy Susan hung over the shelf substantially to the point where if it got to a heavier item, it would probably tip. So the solution I found was to put it on the dryer. And just to make sure it didn't slip, I ended up putting some this rug gripper that I had. And it worked out perfectly. I've been using it like this for about a week and it worked out super perfect. And now I have all that shelf space available to put overflow items and bulk items and other stuff. Since I was in here, I decided to clean off the washer and dryer. Right here, me and Gabby made some baby alive food and it spilled all everywhere. So I'm finally getting this off because this was on here for like a week. And I'm just going to clear off the front of the washer and dryer. Get it all nice and clean. Clean off the inside because it was pretty disgusting in there. And yeah, it just makes it look 10 times better in here, even though there's still a lot to do. Okay, so the next big project that we are working on is this room, and this is more out of necessity right now because we have to get our homeschool into the designated area, which is this front office / living room. Kevin's outside in the garage. He's gonna get the cabinets, or he's getting the measurement for the cabinets that's gonna go here. It matches that one. As you can see, I tried to put contact paper on it and I ended up not liking it. And then I settled on that blue color, which I really like. But we're going to make like a built-in. So there'll be a desk over here, which is where Gabby will work. And then we're getting rid of this desk. And then there's a double set of cabinets that'll go right here. And then there will be a desktop over here. And this is where the computer will be at. And have a bookcase in the middle. So Kevin went to go get the measurements because it's raining outside. We won't get this whole thing done. We're just gonna get this side, but we need the measurements so we know of this cabinet, so we know how this is gonna like center out and how far the wood needs to be cut to fit in this space. So hopefully by the end of the day today, we will have a desk set up here for Gabby to work at.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away. Peel off a layer and breathe. Lift up your head and lead. Count the stars up before you leave. Save a kiss, pretty please. Try to reminisce over me. Know that I will cherish your memory. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away. Lover or friend, real or pretend, however we end, tonight we'll turn minutes into days.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for spending the day with me. There's obviously still a lot to do on the desk, but at least right now it's functional for school. Come back for another crafting / homemaking vlog, and thanks for watching Stepford Living. Bye!